Welcome to another interesting test question. We'll write down the given expression in terms of cosines of angle using compound angle formula, review relationship between half angle formula, and then see how do we work with these interesting facts and get the result. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Let us now enjoy the journey of success. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Here is a very interesting question from one of my students. We need to rewrite the expression 5 cos to the power of 4 x by 2 in terms of first power of cosine. We need to rewrite the expression 5 cos to the power of 4x by 2 in terms of first power of cosine, correct? So as you know, this is based on half and double angle formula, which you learn while understanding the compound angle trigonometry. You can pause the video, answer the question, and in case you need help, you can always send an email on the email address given here. Let us discuss at length how do we solve such a question. So the question before us is 5 cos to the power of 4 x by 2. So this is half angle. We want to write this as first power of cosine. So let us review the basic concept and then we will begin with the solution. Some of you can definitely answer and then look into my suggestions. So as you know, the double angle cos of 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1, and rearranging we get 2 cos square x as equal to 1 plus cos 2x, correct? So we could relate cos square x. Here we have x by 2. So if I replace x with x by 2, I could also write this as 2 cos square x by 2 as equal to 1 plus cos x. No problems. But what we need is cos to the power of 4. So that means we could square both sides and then get cos to the power of 4. Right? So the next step we could do is 2 cos square x by 2 equals to 1 plus cos x, and we can square both sides. So what I'm trying to say here is that we could do like this, right? Correct. And definitely we do get cos to the power of 4 x by 2. Remember, we have to multiply by 5, which we could do at the end also. Perfect. So I'd like you to continue from here and then get the solution. So that will actually give you some more practice and understand this problem better. So let me take to the next page to continue from here. So in the next page, I'm writing 2 cos square x by 2. Let's rewrite. So we are writing 2 cos square x by 2 whole square as equal to 1 plus cos x whole square. Most of you are familiar with this particular formula, which relates half and the double angle, correct? Since we need to the power of 4, we squared both sides. So on expanding, what do we get? We get 4 cos to the power of 4 x by 2 equals 2. Now, here you can say a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we get 1 plus 2 times cos x plus cos square x. Now, this is square x. We need first powers. So we need to work on this particular term once again, right? So now you need to rewrite this in terms of cosine. Now what is cos square x equals to? Well, cos square x can now be written as 1 plus, we have 2 cos x, no problem with this term. But the cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x over 2. Is that clear to you, right? Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x over 2. Well, that's the formula we began with, right? That is to say, cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, correct? So we reuse this particular formula and write our expression as shown here. So now you can see we have single powers of cosine. So that is what it meant when it was saying first power of cosine, right? And now we can take 2 as the common denominator and rewrite this particular expression. So taking 2 as the common denominator, we have 2 plus 4 cos x plus 1 plus cos 2x is equals to 4 times cos to the power of 4 x by 2, correct? But strictly speaking, you really need 5 times cos 4x and not 4 times, right? Anyway, we'll get to that also. So we have now written this in the form. You can always simplify this expression, which I'm writing here, and then take it on the next page. So we have cos 2x, I'm rearranging, plus 4 cos x plus 3 divided by, I take 4 on this side, so I get 8 here, right? And here we can say this is equals to cos to the power of 4 x by 2. Does it make sense? Perfect. So we are very close to the solution, and the solution clearly we can now get by multiplying both sides by 5. Correct? So when I multiply by 5, I get an expression which is 5 cos of 2x. You can write a bracket here, right? So 5 by 8 of cos 2x plus 4 cos x plus 3. So we can write down our solution as 5 cos of 4 x by 2 equals to 5 by 8. And what do we get here in the bracket? Cos 2x plus 4 cos x plus 3. Does it make sense to you? Correct? So that is how we can actually write an expression for 5 cos to the power of 4x by 2 in terms of first powers of cosine. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. So the formulas used in this particular case were, so we had used the formula of double angle formula, cos 2x, which is 2 cos square x minus 1, where you could isolate and then find the half angle formula. So which is 2 cos square x equals to cos 2x plus 1, or 1 plus cos 2x is better to write. Or cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x over 2. And we also use a simple formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square to get our result. Perfect. In case you want to have suggestions from me or learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that will be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.